Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can know the distance on Google Maps in kilometers. So let's get right into it. Now, to know the distance in kilometers, I'm pretty sure your region needs to be set to a region that uses kilometers. So everything except for the US and any other countries that use the imperial system. So once you set your region to that, you might even be able to go into the settings on Google Maps if you're using PC, and you might be able to change it from there. But to then find out the actual distance between 2 points, you will need to, at least on PC, which I'm going to be displaying, you need to locate the first location or the start location, or point A, let's say. So point A, let's say, is going to be the intersection between East 57th and 3rd Avenue. Right click here and click on measure distance. Then once you click there, you're going to need to click on a different location. So for example, let's say to the Plaza Hotel. So let's say here, and as you can see, it's gonna show you the distance. Now in this case, the distance is below 8 kilometers, so I'm just gonna drag it over somewhere else. So let's say all the way to here. And as you can see, now it is displaying kilometers. However, this is displaying kilometers in a sort of aerial view, so it's gonna just show the direct line between those 2 points. To fix this, you need to click on the line and drag it over to somewhere else where you can actually follow the street. So for example here, and now we have a perpendicular line, and it's going to show us the complete distance between the 2 points, and in this case it is 1.18 kilometers. You can see it at the end point, or on point B. This is the final distance, and that is pretty much all there is to it. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.